It seems that wealthy individuals possess a unique way of navigating the world, often making decisions that elude the grasp of others. They communicate using an exclusive language of wealth, a subtle dialect that subtly influences their actions and choices. Wealth is not merely chance. Rather, it represents a carefully constructed and systematic framework. It's a comprehensive system that anyone can learn if they simply direct their focus effectively. In this video, we will explore 5 key principles that transform ordinary people into true money masters. From understanding energy-based earning to precisely timing wealth moves, these are powerful strategies. Stay tuned until the very end. The final principle is a secret that they don't want you to discover. This journey is about gaining control and ultimately achieving true financial freedom and independence. Learn this code, and your financial world will irrevocably change for the better in profound ways.